Are you unable to receive your Google Workspace emails in your inbox on time? Well, Google Workspace email delays can happen for a number of reasons, such as misconfigured mail routing settings, third-party filters, or even a spam policy quietly blocking your outgoing mail. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Also, if you need additional help, even after watching this video, then call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one expert assistance. Now, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Check for filters. First, go to your Google Workspace account and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. After that, click on the See All Settings option. Next, you should choose the Filters and Block Addresses tab. Now, you will see the filters added to your account. You should review them and delete them if necessary. If the first solution is unable to fix your problem, then let's move on to the next method. And yes, if you're finding these steps easy and helpful, then consider giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel. Method 2. Check the settings. Open any web browser and type whois.sc/, followed by a domain name in the address bar. Note, you can use any other domain checker tool if you prefer. If a human verification page appears, check the box and click Go to proceed. Your domain report will be displayed. Take a moment to review it and ensure everything matches your domain setup. Next, let's verify your domain DNS settings. Visit mxtoolbox.com. On the MX Toolbox website, enter your email address into the search bar. Your domain's DNS report will appear on the screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Your Domain Service Provider is and confirm it shows Google Apps. If it does, your setup is verified and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.